Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Raki and I shall be your host for Infocom 2021 virtual conference. On behalf of ABP Group, I would like to welcome you all to the 20th edition of Infocom, India's top business technology leadership conference, bringing together one of the largest congregations of ICT professionals, corporate leaders, academics, visionaries, SME leaders, and policymakers from across India and SAARC. The theme for Infocom 2021 is Accelerating Digital. As the world emerges from the impact of the pandemic, the digital transformation journey also gets into a faster track. The focus will be on building resilience and reimagining a world post-COVID-19, where we reshape our economies, our businesses, along with our lives and livelihoods, accelerated by digital. Infocom 2021 conference will provide a platform to unite the world in pursuit of this digital transformation in every field of business and all aspects of life. We will hear the success stories, the new hurdles and opportunities, and the lessons that we must learn to prepare for the challenging times in the future. I thank all our sponsors for partnering us this year, and I thank the speakers joining in from across the globe. And most importantly, I thank all of you delegates for attending the Infocom 2021 virtual conference. In a short while from now, our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, will be addressing us for the inaugural session. So please stay logged in. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the inaugural session of Infocom 2021. We are very honored and privileged to have amongst us our esteemed chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Ms. Mamata Banerjee. We warmly welcome you, Madam. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule and joining us today for the inaugural session. We also have with us Mr. Dhruva Mukherjee, CEO, ABP Private Limited. We welcome you, sir. We also welcome our esteemed guests of honor, Dr. Omkar Rai, Director General, STPI, Dr. Bhaskar Ghosh, Chief Strategy Officer, Accenture, Mr. Kamal Arora, Senior Director, Sales, Government, Dell Technologies, and Mr. Siddharth Sharma, CEO, West Bengal and Odisha Bharti Airtel Limited. May I now request Mr. Dhruva Mukherjee, CEO, ABP Private Limited, to deliver the welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Raki, and good afternoon to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to Infocom 2021. Friends, if you recall, 2002 was a very eventful year. That's the year when the euro got launched as a common currency across European nations. That's the year where Queen Elizabeth II celebrated her Golden Jubilee. That's also the year where for the first time, the SARS virus was discovered. And while all this was happening in 2002, the ABP Group seeded a dream called Infocom. And the objective of that Infocom was to basically increase the awareness around IT and ITES industry, not just in India, but also in the surrounding SAARC region. And over a period of time, the objective was to create a platform where business, technology, and leadership will converge. And with that objective, this journey started. Over the years, Infocom grew in scale, size, and impact. It strengthened its roots, it spread its wings, and it took us through a very, very meaningful journey around IT and ITES, where it showed that technology can enable, it can also disrupt. Technology can unite, but it can also divide. And technology can be inclusive, and it can also often exclude people. And while it did all this, how it did all this is it created a theme every year around which the conference was built. And while we debated and discussed around that theme, there were meaningful takeaways to kind of ponder upon. And in a similar fashion this year, Infocom has decided, as Raki said, the theme called Accelerating Digital. And I don't think I need to re-emphasize the importance of that theme or the topic. You and I have been experiencing this phenomena as we are trying to transition from a pre-COVID world to a post-COVID world. And I think in that context, this theme is very, very relevant and meaningful. And we have over 1,000 delegates this year, more than 300 CIOs and 60 plus national and international speakers who are ready to share their ideas and exchange their thoughts around this theme. And I'm sure all of which will be very meaningful for us who would like to participate in this conference and look for some meaningful takeaways. To set this in motion, I'm deeply honored and privileged to welcome our chief guest for Infocom 2021, which is Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee. And I'd like to thank her for being here with us today and taking time out of her busy schedule to support the Infocom movement in such a meaningful way. Along with that, it is also a privilege for me to welcome our other esteemed guest of honor for today's inauguration program. And I'd like to welcome Dr. Omkar Rai, the Director General of STPI, and also Dr. Bhaskar Ghosh, who's the Chief Strategy Officer of Accenture. Both of them have been a long time, I would say, friends and supporters of Infocom, and we'd like to really thank you for your participation over the years, which have helped us take this journey forward. And I'm also very privileged to welcome Mr. Kamal Arora, who is the Senior Director, Sales Government for Dell Technology, and Mr. Siddharth Sharma, who is CEO, Eastern Region for Bharti Airtel. Both of them are joining us for the first time, and that almost creates a fantastic balance of experience and new thoughts, which is what Infocom has always been known for. Along with this, I would also like to thank the Department of IT and Electronics, Government of West Bengal for being the host state for Infocom 2021, and Airtel Business for being the platinum sponsor for Infocom. But it's not just them. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all partners and supporters of Infocom, not just for this year, but over the last 20 years. And we are completing the 20th edition of Infocom this year, 2 decades of an initiative. You will probably appreciate and agree that is no joke. It needs a lot of consistency and needs a lot of substance to continue. And we are all very glad that we are completing 2 decades of Infocom this year. And I'd also like to thank all the speakers who are taking time out to connect with us over the next 3 days. And I sincerely hope you will find some time to log in and engage in the sessions that have been lined up around Infocom 2021. Finally, to last but not the least, I'd like to thank each one of you for taking time out to log in today. I always say this, that you probably had another option to do something else right now or today, but yet you chose to log in and be with us. And we are extremely grateful for that. We're extremely grateful for your support in making Infocom such a meaningful journey over so many years. And we hope to look forward, and we look forward to, kind of working with you closely over the next many years to make Infocom bigger and better. Thank you so much, and back to Raki.